Working on the wind generator, I made a base. I'm going to put concrete blocks on it. My new controller's right inside there. Got the wires hooked up. This spindle slip ring was different. I had this post on my other one with a coupling, so I had to drill it and bolt it. And I'm getting ready to put the on here and then put the blade on. It'll be ready to hook up. About done. Got the wind generator hooked up. It's actually spinning faster than it looks because of the strobe effect. I was getting 38 watts. I'm going to go in there and see what I'm getting. It's brand new. Just got it hooked up. And there it is outside, spinning. It's not in an ideal place, but it's real strong wind, so I got it out of there. I'm getting 28 watts of solar. Now the wind died down. But that'll help keep the battery charged up to run down at the end of the day. Didn't get much solar today. There it goes. Well, it's helping charge the battery. It's maybe 6-mile-an-hour winds, and it gets up to 35 or more up here, so it's working.